you're driving me crazy, crazy. Man, a whip so crazy. S3's Coopers, GTIs, baby.
Yo people, Dsgpantha here. Today I'm actually going to go over a video that has probably circulated the internet a little bit too much for my liking. Now, I'm not really one to drive too bad, like I don't really drive too much like a knob, but in this video you're going to see I actually got exposed by, you know, UK dash cams on their YouTube channel. So yeah, one morning I woke up and I had about 50 DMs saying you've been exposed, or like, oh no way, there's a video of you driving like an idiot in this video, blah blah blah. So I was like, okay, cool. So I saw the video, I've watched it. As you've probably seen, some of you, if you haven't followed my Instagram, Dsgpantha, you've probably seen the video on my Instagram because I actually posted it on there. And yeah, the comments were absolutely ruthless. Now, I'm going to talk about what happened in this video, why it came to this conclusion, what happened, my thoughts on why I don't think I'm in the wrong. A lot of people, or all of you watching this right now, are probably spamming the comments saying it's your fault, you're an idiot, you can't drive properly. Just let me explain before we get into this whole situation, because I haven't had time to explain it. I haven't done a video to explain it. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Let's go over the situation, how it even came about. Let's watch some of the funny videos on here as well. And yeah, if you like these type of videos, watching the dash cams and stuff, then please let me know in the comment section, and we can do some more reactions and, you know, reactions to police chases and stuff like that. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. Let's watch the 10-second clip of me, and then we'll watch some other ones that are in it as well, because there are some funny videos in there. Yeah, further ado, let's get into it. I'm not going to shout out the people. You can go and it's on their channel, but I'm not going to publicly say shout out to them because I got posted on it, so I'm not happy about that. But yeah, further ado, let's get into the video, and yeah, let's talk about my situation. The UK dashcam exposed. No, I am not subscribed to them. Don't go and subscribe to me instead. F them. So it's this one here, feck you, as it says. Yeah, let's just click onto it, and yeah, you can already see what's going to happen. So as you see, there's a lot of dips in the video, and one of the little bumps, of course, is on the point where it happened. So let's watch this one here, and let's so as you can see, this guy obviously just gets, oh, that is, yeah, I would be all over him. I'd be straight up his rear bumper. Right, so here we go. I'm gonna play you the clip. I'm gonna watch it quick, and then I'll talk through my opinions on why I don't think I'm in the wrong. So as you guys probably saw there, I personally do not think I was deliberately in the wrong. Now, leading up to this situation, this guy was driving on the right hand lane the whole time we was going down this road, and he was not speeding. He was not, there was just leaving like a car gap and a little bit behind this Mini the whole time. So I was like, okay, cool, I can get over because I need to, because this guy in the Qashqai was driving like an absolute goon and doing like 10 miles an hour in a 30. I was like, okay. And also, the guy that is recording this video is actually part of the car meets, because as you can see here, he's got a car group sticker. So whoever put this video in it, suck your mum, because you're part of the car scene. You probably drive like this anyway. So I don't know why you're posting it on here, but you know, it is what it is. Everyone loves to hate. So, but yeah, so the whole time I was indicating, so as you can see from the start of this clip, this is the van one. As you can see, that I was indicating this whole time, indicating. This guy's not letting me in, and then he speeds up a bit, as you can see here. Look, speeds up, and then there's a gap, and I'm still indicating he's not letting me in, but he's not speeding up. So I'm assuming he's letting a gap for me to get in, and then yeah, I sped up and went into the gap. That was literally the video. Like, I don't understand why this guy was getting vexed or annoyed about it, because it was really not that deep. He left the gap for me to get into it, and then didn't let me into it. I don't understand. As I went into the gap, he then sped up, but he was leaving the gap the whole time. Look, you can see him. Look, he speeds up and then brakes. What is the point? You're either letting me in or you're not letting me in. Do you get what I mean? Like, flash me to let me in or don't let me in. Like, if there was, obviously if there was a smaller gap, I would have just waited and gone behind him, but he left the gap there, so I just presumed that I could go into it, and that's probably not the right thing to do. I'm not going to sit here and say I probably should have gone into that, but if you're going to leave a car gap and someone's indicating for a good 10 seconds, 10-20 seconds, and why are you not letting them in? So you're just going to assume that they're waiting there to let you in. So that's what I've done. So I don't think this video is actually as bad as people are making it out to be. It's a simple video of someone wasn't letting me in, but it looked like he was, so I just got into the space. Like, it's really not that deep. So yeah, that's literally all of it. That is literally the video, and everyone's hating, saying I'm a bad driver, da 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 da. It's not like that. You lot all drive like this. You lot probably drive worse than this. So I don't know why you're trying to get onto me. That don't think you're all little good boys, because I've seen your Instagrams. We know how you drive. So don't come at me saying I drive like this and this is bad. This is not even that bad. So yeah, suck your mums, and let's have a look at other clips and see what else is on here. And yeah, so let's have a look at this one. This one's been like tagged massively. So oh my god. I said a lorry just went to overtake him. There's no way. What has gone on here? Nah. What? There's an electric scooter. Oh. 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 What? What happened? There's no audio on these. This makes it proper awkward. Oh, do you know what? I hate people that do this. People that try and come around the inside lane of you when you're going through these lights in London, and they try and get in front of you. It annoys me so much. Like here, clearly it's pretty much one lane. I think this is North London, but yeah, it's like literally one lane, and this guy is just coming flying. Like, look, what are you doing? Why do you think that is a good idea to do that? Like, actually vexes me. So let me know if this happens to you, because it literally happens to me all the time. I swear the whole of the UK, or majority of the UK, cannot drive properly. Like, so annoying. But that's mad. Oh, here we go. Transit van. You know what they say about white van drivers? Jesus. He's gonna go into the rear of him. Oh my god. What is he doing? Okay. What are you doing? Go on, floor it, bruv. Oh, I can't comprehend how that's just even happened. How is that hurts my head. That physically hurts my head. How do you think that's a good idea? I don't know how people get their license. He's gone left.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my, yeah, I don't know what goes. Oh my god, this is recording like an iPhone 2. Yeah, that's what you get. I hate kids on my fucking little bikes. They're so annoying. It's actually funny. But yeah, I don't think there's anything else good on. Ooh, what's going on here? What the hell? Why has this been sent into a dash cam? That is like the worst video I've ever seen. What's the first one? Let's have a look. We'll watch this one and we'll leave it there, but indicating right. Oh my god, this guy's dash cam city, bro. Oh. Oh my god. But I'm so... What? There's too many cameras, like... What I'm presuming is, this car should have gone right. He should have gone straight on either way. So he shouldn't have gone right, but he should have gone straight on. And then he brakes, because obviously he's going to go in the back of him. This guy, he goes into the back of him, look. Oh, look at his... Look at his face, that is funny. Oh my god. Totally eccentric. What the hell? There's not even any damage though. How is that? There's literally no damage. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. It was just a little funny video to, you know, go over some dash cams and stuff. Make sure you guys are subscribed and like to this video, and I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace.
Baby, give it to me, girl, man, you're driving me crazy, man, I whip so crazy. S3's Coopers, GTI, baby.